So let me take this call. If you want to hold, you can tap on this hold icon. Tap again to unhold. So if you want to mute, you can tap on this mute icon. Then so this is a loudspeaker option, and you can dial another number, and we can make video call. Then if you want to record this call, you can tap on this record icon. Now it's recording. If you want to stop the recording, you can tap again, and here you can see the location where it store that audio file. You can add another call. Tap on this add call. So these are the options. Let me disconnect this call.